Now let's go.
Let's go through this jungle path.
Through the wilds of Midwest City.
Wow, that fence is a little bit off. Okay. Okay, this is called a hold-up fence that's falling down. It's complicated.
Technically.
It's a technically order. All right, now let's see what this thing is. Oh, it's back to a two-board thing.
Well, no, it looks good.
It doesn't look that good.
I mean, it looks straight.
Oh, okay. Look at that. I think you got something pushing against the fence.
You did that completely wrong. That stick, you're supposed to stick that right in your knee.
Hey guys, I found my green water hose with the holes in it.
Everybody needs water hanging in the hose.
Well, you know, yeah, I have a bunch and I don't throw them away because maybe.
It's like that you put back in the door. I think these are bigger nails.
Yeah.
All right. This doesn't look like it's supporting much.
Yeah, we probably moved that one now. Oh, that's what it is.
Yeah. Okay. You want to move to the inside and try that?
I think we're about due. I guess so.
You know what else is weird?
What?
Platypuses. You ever think a lot about them?
More than I probably should.
Yeah, me too.
A lot of times before I go to sleep, I say, man, platypuses.
It keeps me up at night just thinking
Platypuses or platypi?
pie.
We did that on that for another reason.
Yeah.
Hey, where's this pie you're speaking of? Don't joke about pie, man.
Hi, it's 3.1. What is it? All right. Well,
It's some number.
here's one that we missed right here. That's a critical one, probably holding up the entire fence.
Yeah, but where's the pie at?
Piece of cake, man.
You're getting that saying wrong. It's pizza cake.
Does the word delivery go in that?
Like these pizza.
Okay.
Pizza cake.
All right.
Pizza cake.
You want to bring that in?
Yeah.
Whoa. No, I think I just got Philip in the head.
I'm good. It was just my head.
You film it.
It was just my head and my eyes. I'm okay.
I blocked it with my eyes. It's all right.
Next time, can we redo that and I'll hit you with a branch?
Would you mind do that accidental hit?
Yeah.
You'll have to do that several times to get it right.
I want to go over here.
We didn't catch it.
Yeah.
Hey, there's no blood.
Vids.
Did you notice no blood?
Oh, we ain't done yet.
Oh,
Yeah, don't curse us, Bob.
this holds a lot of wood. Needs to be at your house.
I just kind of see a pattern here.
Well, what it is, my yard gets cleaner, his yard gets full of stuff.
No, I get it.
And it's been too windy to burn.
You can't burn the wind.
It took
Like you
him
burned-
hundreds of years for that tree to make that limb, and you're going to burn it. Oh, no.
Oh, man. All right, I'll put it up there. We get to on the top.
We have this board. Why don't we use this? Hey, there is a board laying there. I wonder what it's for. Could it be to support the fence? Just think now. Have a second
Didn't tell
board.
me that there's going to be thinking involved.
Well, last week you tried that.
I know. It hurt my head so bad.
Well, the doctor said there was very little injury involved.
That's why I had to wear my hat.
I was thinking on top row there behind it.
Yeah, that's probably going to be feasible with this whole. It was such a good idea, even though I didn't do it for a while. It wasn't going to work.
But you gotta keep going with it for a while. You can't just give up.
You got to suffer and waste time.
Okay, I got 2 boards. I think one is enough. And 2's too many.
Oh man, that really stiffened it right up, didn't it?
Yeah. You fix these by down one there.
Okay, they make a hammer thing. Did we have one of those? Wait a minute.
Oh, you got screws.
I found
You need a
something.
hammer.
Okay, here's a modified hammer thing. It doesn't have a very good handle, but it would have.
Oh, that's the new style.
That's a. He doesn't know how to hammer with it. Use the claws. Yeah. There you go.
Oh, a hammer.
He catches on so quick.
Hammers can be lots of stuff. Crescent wrenches.
Yeah. All right. If
Little
one of
small
us holds it and gets a void to hang your screen in there, will that work well?
Oh yeah, that would cause a lot of damage to somebody that way.
Okay. If I hold it, if you hear a large yell, that's
Oh, I
me.
have
I have a whole pocket of
Just
screws.
screw his hand.
Just don't
exactly what happened.
be worried about burning the screw or thing.
Hey, don't get blood on that new board.
Some of these boards are used.
Do you want me to go on the other side?
I think so. I think that'd be wise.
Just know I love you, Dad.
For my last word,
Yeah, it's all right. You just live here now with your hand screwed to the fence.
hey, I can put a nut on it or something. Right?
Yeah.
Hey, if my fingers fall off, I put a nut on it. Straight back on.
Go move.
You might put this one on. This board. Well, I think that it's the new.
It'll suck into it. Pull it. There you go.
There you are. You said he didn't know what he was doing.
He doesn't. He's just waiting.
I hope he didn't. Hope he didn't do that.
How can he hear you through the fence?
I don't know. Well, it's got a few air holes in it, though. That's for the wind to get out, right?
Yeah.
I noticed not all the wind got out when it blew down
Is
there.
this your pet wall?
I did, so I don't need to stand behind
No, I
it.
think you're okay now.
He was aiming for my eye, I think.
Oh, I was barely.
He's such a fool.
Yes, you know.
Good thing he's not that good at aiming.
I'm not that good at aiming.
I tell it.
If I'm worried about wildlife, I said, aim at the deer, aim at the deer. He's safe then, you know?
Yeah. Not a problem that way.
Well, it saves a lot of deer lives.
Are these all your pet wasps over here?
Well, that's there's Henry. You might have met him. There you go. Gertrude's here. I haven't seen her in a while.
Dad said anybody can raise bees.
Yeah, bees are simple. Wasps, they're a little more talent involved.
You gotta do it for the real love of it. It's not trendy like beekeeping.
Now we got one new board look, and all the rest looks old now. You don't think the neighbors will complain, do you?
If they haven't complained about you yet, I think you're good.
Well, there has been, few things said.
The neighbors ain't complaining. He ain't doing it right.
You're shooting water 14 feet in the air and splashing
I know
down
I
all
know.
day.
You hadn't made any mistakes. You haven't been working.
That's right.
Well, that's true, but
What's wrong? He's doing it right. He's taking extra
let's
care.
take the brace off and see how bad we've done. I mean, how good we've done.
I don't know if we need to take the brace off, but we can see.
Well, we want to see if we're supporting it or not. I think, right?
Have you had to support your fence? I know your children need support. But
You know, I have had to support the fence.
do you feed it every day, or
I take good care of it.
I just check him.
It's
He's always concerned about the fence eating properly, and diaper changes, that sort of thing.
It's got some wiggle.
Still got some wiggle. I think I'd leave that in it. I mean, what could it hurt?
Yeah, and that way it'll fill in with what they call dirt. There. Okay.
That way, yeah, that way over time it'll.
Hey, the fence is sort of straight.
It's a fence. That is a fence.
It sure is.
You know what? It won't keep the birds out, though. Now I got a board left over. What am I going to do with a leftover board?
Origami.
What's good about this is no one's going to come up and think you paid too much for it.
Well, I don't.
I mean, they're not going to be like, oh, look at that, God
Well, if you
fence.
put up too fancy a fence in this neighborhood, they think you have a large quantity of money that you're needing this.
No one's going to look at this fence and think you have a lot of money.
Now,
They're gonna go.
say
They're gonna go. That poor man.
I use real boards and everything, man.
Probably does cost more with all the repairs.
I guarantee it does.
There's 3 kinds of money in that fence now.
Careful with the high-spec board so the outside will get wet.
Do you feel only hardwood in it? No, it does blow cherry red. Yeah, burnt paint up.
You know, there's poop on the ground because somebody got my pooper scooper. Who would steal a pooper scooper?
Like that
There's
one?
my pooper scooper. Thank you. That grass.
It's summer.
It's this grass stuff. It hit it. I couldn't find it.
I like that. Was it?
Hey, do you see a 6-foot ladder anywhere? It could be under any grass around here.
As bad as I know he has like 3. I was thinking about that when I bought that. I was like,
Well, I looked everywhere for it, and I have not found one.
and the aluminum.
Yeah.
But I know you kept 6 foot. You're like, I'll need a 6 foot.
Well, they put it in this. This is the notorious shed.
Oh yeah, there's
Anything that we have is in the shed, but everybody
theoretically my dad's ever had. Is
everyone's too afraid to go in.
fence. Done. Project. All right.
Project finished.
Project Saturday. Dumb stuff you can do. What is it? We do together. Fence repair.
I fooled him. I told him we was going to go skiing.